Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. So make sure to watch the video till the very end and let's begin. So there's actually two methods I'm going to show to you today. And the first method I want to show you is by using the Microsoft Store. If you actually come down to the search box at the bottom and click onto the magnifying glass, a search box will appear in the search box. You want to type Microsoft Store to open up the Microsoft Store, which will be underneath Best Match. Once you open up the Microsoft Store, what you want to do is come to the search box at the top of the page, and you just want to go ahead and type Office 365 and then hit enter. So what it's going to do is bring up a list of results. Now what you want to do is actually look for this one here, Microsoft 365 Office, which is completely free. You can see there is a price on some of the offers like personal, family, and so on and so forth. But for the Office one, it is completely free. So all you want to do is go ahead, give that a click. You can see that I have already installed it on my PC, but in your case, there will be a blue button. And then what you want to do is just click on the blue Get button, and it will then start downloading Office onto your system. Now, if you don't see it on Microsoft Store, or you want to try a different way, then what you can do is open up an internet browser. And once you've opened up your browser, you want to come across to a search engine. And in the search box, you just want to type Office 365 and then hit enter. And then what you're going to do is click on to the official website. So we're just going to click on this, and you will be prompted to this page if you are logged into your Microsoft account. You want to come up to this section to access PowerPoint. So all you want to do is click on this dotted icon and then click on the PowerPoint option. And you'll see from here, you'll actually be able to go ahead and use PowerPoint for absolutely free. So that's basically how you can download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.